Dude, what's up, y'all, man? This is Nick. Check out this place I found. This is like a Beetle restoration graveyard or something. Man, they got so many old school bugs here. It's amazing. They got convertibles. They got split windows, ovals. Look at this. This is like a drop top. Brand new paint jobs. Got the W Declan. It's got to be like a 59, 58, 57, 56. I don't know. Let's take a look down here, man. It's pretty clean. They took it off the whole pan and got it all painted up. Tell me that's not some bad old looking car. They got a bunch of nice Volkswagens out here, man. Just a shitload of them. Check out this other one right here, man. This is like a split right here, right? Looks like they redid this whole thing as well. Redoing all the suspension in the back too. The inside, it looks like they just started on this one. Man, they got hella shit. Wow, it looks like they're just like a body shop or something. They're just restoring a bunch of cars. Looks like they got a little rag tarp right there. This might be the actual garage that's doing the work on my car. They got a bunch of nice cars, man. Look at these Carmen Gias. It even looks like they're doing a whole Carmen Gia back here. Looks like they took it all apart. They got a Volkswagen, another split right there. These guys got a lot of stuff. Look, there's a little oval in there. It's like a 61, 62 over there. 21 window rag as well. Look at this Carmen Gia right here, man. I came here trying to see if I could find a deck lid, but there seems to be no one here to help me, so we're just gonna get out of here. I hope y'all like this little video, man, but I sure did. A lot of nice stuff here, man, 100%. Woo. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. This is Nick signing out. Bye-bye.